here we have 9 chains each side. You just need to start from here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and that's where we connect each of the squares on this 9 chain. Same on the other side. You just need to count right from here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then you will connect this both here, but before that you should do a slip knot and then place your yarn at the back of the squares. You just need to insert the hook on the front loop here, on this front loop, and then insert your hook on the back loop on this purple yarn, and then just slip stitch all through on the main yarn. And I put the link above this video on how to make the small granny squares, and I made 25 gray of yarn. If you want to follow the same color like mine on this scarf, I made 25 granny gray yarn, 10 white granny squares, and 15 purple